Who helps little pumpkins cross the road safely?
I don't know.
The crossing gourd.
The joke wasn't funny, but the way he told it was.
Well, I forgot it.
Hey everybody, I'm Bridget. This is John, and every week we get drunk
And try a recipe for the first time. And this week, we again even make pumpkin brownies.
So today we made pumpkin brownies. 2 ingredients, and they're vegan.
Ooh, 2V.
Ah,
Think about that.
didn't even plan that.
I know.
I just took a can of pumpkin and mixed it with a brownie mix. I did Betty Crocker because it was a vegan mix.
It's
As long as
fudge.
you don't add the non-vegan stuff.
Something.
And you legit just
My nose itches.
mix them together.
Yeah.
That's it. I mean, well, you bake them too.
And that's it. How long did you bake it for?
I baked them for half an hour
You mix these 2 ingredients
at 450.
in a bowl.
350.
Put it in a pan.
Sorry.
30 minutes
At 350.
at 350. 30 minutes at 350. And then that's it.
They don't look quite as tall as other brownies, but I don't know if I
Short brownies are just as good.
should have done a smaller pan.
It's how you
I
use
did
the
put it
brownies.
in a 9x13
matters.
pan. I don't know. They didn't really say what size pan.
Oh, but we did 9x13, so.
Yeah, we did. So
We'll
maybe
see
if
if
you do an
that's the way to go.
8x8, then they'll be taller.
Oh god, we should
Sandwich.
put frosting on
You
these.
don't have any.
Damn it. Alright, so we'll eat them plain.
I forgot to mention, I added pumpkin pie spice because I was eating the batter and I didn't think it was pumpkin enough.
How much of the batter did you eat? Is that why we have
No,
like
I ate
3
a little
brownies
bit.
available?
I was just taste testing. A little bit, a little fingerful.
It's actually very delicious.
They're dense. let
It's
me tell
almost
you.
like a rubbery consistency, and I'm into that. I like it.
They're a dense brownie for sure. They could use some frosting, but they're not bad without it.
No, you don't even need it. But if there was like pumpkin frosting, probably overset it.
Like a pumpkin cream cheese.
Whatever that means. Like over the top.
Overshoot.
Over
something.
It's definitely over something. We know that
Raise
for
the bar.
sure. Yeah. To the top. So how many Dennis's do you rate this?
4.75.
I was going to say 4.7.
No way!
I wasn't going to say the 5. Man.
I'm gonna
Cream
do
cheese would have
4.75.
made it the 5. The pumpkin
Yeah.
cream cheese.
Yeah.
So you should do this. It's so simple. 2 ingredients.
You
Don't
did?
overthink it.
I love how we're staring at the plate like they're still there.
I know, we're
both
like
looking at it,
hopeful, like
wishing they'd
it's gonna
reappear.
manifest. No.
And it's not something that tastes vegan. You're not eating this going, well, it's good for vegan. No, it's just good.
It's just good. Some
Pairs well
quality
with
ass
wine.
crap.
I'm so into vegan.
And like the macaroni, I was like,
Yeah.
maybe this is fine for vegan. But not.
Hindsight, I think I've just been vegan
Duncan
for so
hindsight.
long.
Oh, I wish you would have used that.
And only 2 ingredients. I mean, how easy? Well, 3 if you count the pumpkin pie spice. But I just threw that in there at the last minute.
And it was
I
a
didn't
good
measure
call.
it. I'm going to say it was like a half teaspoon or a teaspoon. I don't really know. But
Throw
I
that in there because it
chunked
worked.
some in because it was good.
It worked there. It really kicked it up a notch.
But not too much. You don't want to strangle the chocolate. Put too much pumpkin pie spice in and it wouldn't be chocolatey enough.
Strangle the chocolate.
I don't know if that's the right terminology. I'm
That's
not
a phrase
baker.
I've never heard before. I know that.
I don't think that's actually a phrase in baking. I'm just saying it would not be right. It just wouldn't be.
I'm going to agree with you on that.
So, brownies with pumpkin. Not bad.
Do
Give it
it.
a shot.
Do it.
Like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff.
Yeah, all the
Give
other.
us a thumbs up.
Because we just recently got a thumbs
We
down.
just got our first thumbs down.
That's good though.
Sad about it because that's proof that it's not just our friends watching.
Finally, we've reached stardom.
Or our friends are honest.
Yeah. Hey Bridget, how do gourds get so strong?
I don't know.
By pumpkin iron. Hey Bridget.
Yeah.
What are gourds afraid of?
I don't know.
Things that go pumpkin in the night.
Oh no!
Pumpkin
awful.
the night. That's the way the joke goes.
That would be better.